Hi, this is Samantha, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to quickly tell the difference between a regular magazine article and a scholarly journal article. The first one that we're going to look at is a regular magazine article. If you notice, it has a title, content, some nice little pictures, and it's very short. It's 2 pages long. It says 3, but the last page is blank. That's pretty much all there is to a regular magazine article. Now I'm going to pull up a scholarly journal article. Okay, the first tip actually is the amount of pages. There's 14 pages in this article, and usually it's pretty long because it has a lot of research to scholarly articles. If you notice, you have your title, the magazine where it was published, you have the contributors and their credentials, and it's very structured. You have your abstract, your intro, and it has in-text citations. You have tables right down here. And then if you go towards the end, you will see a reference page. So everything that they provide in this article, they cite all of the information. Just remember, whenever you're evaluating your sources, regular magazine, they don't have a reference sheet. They don't have an abstract. The person that wrote it doesn't really have to be somebody that's an expert in the field, as to where a scholarly journal article, the people who write it are experts in the field. So hopefully this will help you when trying to figure out the difference between both. If you have any questions, just come by the library 206 at the NMSU Carlsbad campus. Thank you.